So you clicked on this video because you want to see my fleshlight collection, eh? I'm just kidding, I know what you guys actually clicked. However, I did want to put it out there that I have a sick fleshlight collection. You guys don't know what that is, a pocket pussy, search it up. And I would love to show it, because at one point, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I bought a whole bunch of them because I want to have a wall of fleshlights for y'all to look at in videos. Then I searched it up, and apparently YouTube wouldn't like that, and every video would get demonetized. But as I still have pocket pussy on my mind, I have one phone call to make, so just bear with me 1 sec. I gotta sort something out, you know what I mean? It'll be 1 second.
Good afternoon, love now.
I don't know what to call them. I bought a couple of pocket vaginas from you, fleshlight, I think they're called. And
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
No, I've been buying some pocket vaginas from you guys recently.
Okay.
I'm wondering if they come in sizes at all.
No, what you do though is you just wash them with warm water and put lots of lubricant on them, and they basically should fit anyone.
So get a little embarrassing. The problem is lubricant doesn't help. I have one of those micro wieners, and I was just wondering if there's something that I could do about that, like in terms of something that might be smaller, preferably.
Not really. They're all basically about the same. Your best bet is just to come in and take a look. But I mean, if you bought a couple,
I've bought more than a couple, and they all just seem to lower my ego.
You know, they're all made basically about the same.
You know, that sucks, eh?
Yeah.
So
sorry about that.
there's nothing online that will help my issue down there. It's small. I don't want to compare it,
hold on a minute.
like a pinky finger
Okay.
fit and anything else.
I've got to go at the moment.
Okay.
But sorry that you're having an issue.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay, have a great day.
Actually, one more question. Do you have any penis enhancing pills?
Pardon me?
Do you have any penis enhancing pills on the market there?
No, but the World of Water location,
Yeah.
Portage and Westwood Drive.
Yeah, and that will enhance down there substantially?
Everybody is different.
Okay.
Some of them will help.
Oh, wow, that is awesome. Thanks so much.
You're more than welcome. Bye-bye.
Looking for the schlag. Thank you. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I don't want to make the phone call while it's still on my mind. I'm sorry you had to hear that. Anyway, let's get into the sneaker collection, boys. First off, I gotta show you the sneaker room. Y'all have never seen before. This is really, really lit. This is the first time ever showing it on YouTube, and we're doing it today. But 2,000 thumbs up, we will do the flashlight collection because I think it'll be funny. Alright, let's go. So as we leave this room, boys, going into the sneaker room, we'll turn on some lights so you guys can see. Then we go into this room, which is not the sneaker room. This is a spare bedroom. Just giving you guys a little tour before we get into the sneaker room. We have another room here, which is my washroom. And another room here, which is my roommate's room. As y'all can see, I'm not supposed to be in here, but I know exactly where her panty drawer is, which is very sick. She's also not home right now. Yes. As we go in, here, boys, finally, is my sneaker room. Room is my sneaker room, but just know that I got a lot of heat. Y'all are about to see it. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna keep it kind of casual with this video. I've got a little bit to show you. Sadly, a lot of my hype sneakers, we talked about this, got stolen from my car about 2 weeks ago, I'd say. So that really sucks, but the good news is, if you guys keep watching this video, I've got a bunch. I'm selling every sneaker you guys see here, and some of them are for free if you guys pay shipping. So you guys just take a look at that. Without further ado, here's my sneaker collection. We got more in the closet there. We had about, like I said, 10, 15 plus pairs more that I finally fit into my car, and they were all gone overnight, which sucks. But of course y'all know my NameBran fans real strong. We're marking the game, the greatest of all time, and all the goats. Notification squad, where you at? YouTube's trying to shut us down, bro. And the only way that we can stop that is either boycotting them, probably my penis out, which I won't do. That sounds like a crime. Will not do that, but what I will do is tell you to hit the notification button, because that's the only way you're gonna get my videos lately. So as y'all can see, the room's kind of under like spring cleaning right now. I'm taking a whole bunch of stuff up, so it's a little bit messy. Like I said, I'm trying to get rid of all my sneakers, and the main goal is to get a bunch of hype sneakers, make a sick wall of that, and destroy every single one by one weekly, asking you guys what you want to see done with that sneaker. So I think that'd be a little fun thing that we could do weekly. However, here's a sneaker collection without further ado, and let's fucking go, boys. Alright, going down here real quick. This is for sale. We got the Yeezy red blacks, I think these are. Nope, they are props. Okay, so we got these. We made the red back skates. I guess I fucked up the red black. These ones are dumb. These are sneakers right here that I'm actually going to be giving for free. The Huff Fuck It shoes. If you guys want those, it says F-U-C-K all over your shoe. Good way to look like an absolute douchebag, and that's why I bought them and never got laid. We got more Yeezys here. We got the Yeezy Boost V2. Oh man, here's a fun one. As you guys know, we got the Cos Cause 4s. These are actually the fake pair. I have the black pair, but we made the Pepto-Bismol Cause 4s. People were asking how those turned out. They turned out bad. Supreme Up-Tempos right here. We made a mask out of the other one. So if you guys want, if anyone wants a regular shoe, just one shoe, pay for shipping, I'll send it out to you. It's real. It's legit. I actually put this one in a pizza because I don't know why I did that, but I thought it would be kind of funny. We got more Yeezys. These are the Yeezy V2 Boost orange ones. These ones right here, boys, are fake, which is not what I wanted to do with that. If anyone wants those, just pay for shipping. The only pair of Yeezys that I wear right now, I gotta take the rollerblades off them because we just did that video. We got the Yeezy Blue Tints. These things are so hype. Probably my favorite Yeezy to ever drop. Y'all can see I beat them into the ground, but hey, a little bit of NameBran Protect and it'll work. NameBran Protect coming out real soon. It's gonna be the same packaging as Crep, but I'm gonna have my face over the Crep. Business moves. Here's another one right here, man, in the sneaker collection. You guys might be really interested in these. They're new, brand new. I can't remember how I got these. I don't really rock Jordans, but hey, man, if anyone wants to buy these, just I'll give them to you for retail, and because I don't really care about making money off y'all, you know what I mean? But that's another sneaker that I actually do like. Like, if I had a sneaker wall, I think it'd be dope for the wall, but I want shit that I can destroy. Hey, man, these are some buttes right here. I have never ever worn these, but these used to be one of my favorite sneakers of all time. We got the BAPE Puma discs right here. Absolutely phenomenal. And actually, this is surprising. I thought I lost these in the car. This is great. But these are so sick, man. If anybody wants these, I will give them to you for like $250 plus shipping. I don't know how much they're going for. If they're going for any less than that, I'll give them to you for retail. You know, man, I used to have a lot of heat in here. I used to really collect sneakers. And if I didn't destroy all my sneakers, we'd probably have a really sick collection. I've owned every pair of Yeezy V2s. I've owned every single regular Yeezy, like the Oxford Tans, the Turtle Doves, all those. I own them all. But once again, with the channel, I ain't making money wearing them. I'm making money destroying them, so I can always buy that stuff back as I make more money in my life. Another one, and we got, okay, these are destroyed. We have those ones right there with holes cut out of them. I don't know why they're still there. If anyone wants those, bro, I'll pay for shipping to get those to you. Hey, man, here's a real nice one right here. I waited so long for these to drop, and I actually got them on drop day thinking they'd sell for a little bit more money. I actually wore these to a wedding, like the asshole I am, but we got the Puma Kith Colette collaborations right here. I used to be so into Puma discs, especially this colorway, man. It's absolutely lit. I gotta give them a cleanup. I might not sell these though, man. They're so sick. The insole right there. They're just a dope shoe, and if you guys have ever wore Puma discs, the disc is the thing that tightens up the shoe. Definitely recommend it. Once again, I destroy shoes, but I know a little bit about them, and these are probably the comfortablest shoes that I've ever worn. Those ones are real sick, man. I might send these out to somebody. If you really want them more than me, I'll probably give them to you for retail. Ah! Fuck! Oh, bro, I've been working on this puzzle for ages! No! Baby! No! Fuck! Oh! I'm actually heated about that. Me and Jill were over here the other night working on that just high as fuck for like 10 hours straight, and we got not far because we were stoned. But it was fun, and now it's destroyed. You know, here's a weird one right here. This is probably my very first video to hit over 500,000 views. And you'll see in this collection, once again, I don't have all the hype stuff, but I have all the stuff that I used to really wear, except for these. Y'all know what? Nike ID, where you make your own shoes and hopefully they turn out dope. Yeah, these turned out nope, bro. I got NameBran on the back of them. I don't know what my color schemes were, but I was really into snake print at the time. Like, yo, these are gonna turn out so sick. Then I got them, and I think I literally threw up on them because, you know, they smell like, oh, not semen, I think. I guess I did like them at the time. But we got the snakeskin Hirachi Customs Nike ID'd by NameBran. If anyone wants, which I'm assuming nobody in the right mind would want them because they say NameBran right here, just like that. We got these. I'm gonna give these to you for like retail or under if anyone wants these. They're kind of bad. Don't buy them. I wouldn't buy them if I were you, but they're up for auction. A lot of people have asked me at sneaker cons and stuff like that. Weirdly enough, you guys are still like, NameBran, what do you think about this shoe? And I'm like, bruh, if I can't make money off destroying it, I don't give a fuck. But y'all always ask me if I have any LeBrons. I used to have a lot more in my collection, but I sold them. But these, I think, are the what those, if I can remember correct. They're like the Marvel. They're like the Marvel shoe all over again, which is probably raised in price, hopefully, with that new movie coming out. Wars, Planet of the Apes. No, that's different. Go ahead, whatever war one just came out. Civil War, that's it. Sick. I'm a failure of a nerd, in fact. But yeah, these ones are so sick, man. I had to get these. I will sell these probably for retail too. I gotta look at my pricing on these just to make sure I'm not getting butthurt too much. But y'all leave comments down below if you guys really want some stuff here. We got whoever that is, Wolverine. Really dope. Iron Man, just one of the sickest pairs of shoes I think I've ever bought in terms of looks. They just, I think on my feet wouldn't look too good. I think Rare could pull these off. I don't think your boy NameBran could though. Oh man, next up, this is a very controversial shoe. I have not done my research on them as much as you'd think I would. However, I got these shoes right here from a dude. He said he found them at Plato's Closet, if I can remember correct, and he thought they probably weren't real because they were at Plato's Closet. And he's like, NameBran, let me send them to you for a video. And I said, sure, but if they are real, man, and if I figure out they're real, which is why they have never been worn, I will send them back, because I think these things go for like 8 grand. So I told him, man, like, I'm not gonna ever accept these. I still have his info, so you guys let me know if they're real or not. Once again, dead stock is all hell, because I ain't about to wear his shoes if he wants them back. But we got the human races. Everyone seems to think they're real. I don't think they are. I know my legit checks pretty well. This is a real boost. I know that for a fact, but I don't think they're real. You guys let me know. So I got into weird sneaker collecting at one point. I got every single colorway in terms of the 3 mains. Like, they had the Chicagos come out, they had the Breads come out, which are these, and they also had the Royal Blues come out. I copped all of them. They're just one of those shoes, man. They're so good quality. The leather is unreal. I have never seen Nike put out a shoe of this quality since probably they put these out. These things are so crazy. Really like them. They look like clown shoes on feet. I actually have only worn these once for an on foot, but they're kind of dope. If anyone wants to buy them, I'll give them to you for retail or under. I don't know how much they're going for, but man, I'm trying to hook you guys up. I don't want these shoes. I need to make money, and making money means destroying hype shit. It's funny too, actually. They're like a soccer shoe, so they have this little like they have the little lace flap right there, so you don't die, I guess is what that's from, so you don't die from laces. Here's a hype pair right here. Wow, we destroyed. Oh, it's molding. What the fuck? All right, well, we got these right here. I tried to Pepto-Bismol them. I guess it's kind of molding a little bit, as y'all can see. That's ridiculous. We got the black Cosmores. These ones right here I bleached, so they're a little bit different. As y'all can see, it's like a little bit of a different color. It's also got the StockX. Y'all know they are legit. StockX been sponsoring videos, and I appreciate them for that. These are really, really sick in the collection. I kind of wish I didn't destroy those, because I really, really like them, and I always wanted them to wear, but hey, man, gotta do it for the kids first. I'll take care of myself later. So then at one point when I was younger, I got really into these fucking things. I think these are called the Tubulars, which are absolutely ridiculous. I hate them now, but I got the gray pair, I got the black pair, I got the red pair, and every other kind that I could find. I think I had like 13 of these at one point. I've sold a lot of them, but we just got the Red Octobers right here. The lace is a little ripped because I actually put a gold egglet on it to try to make them Red October. You know what I mean? The video got a lot of views back in the day when you could get views on that shit. The lace is broken, so if anyone wants these, they're like dead stock is all hell. I could sell these to you for under retail. And it does come with another shoe, which is sick. I have both of them. These ones right here, I actually, if I'm not mistaken, I could be mistaken, I think these are from a dumpster, one of our Nike dumpster diving videos. But yeah, man, these ones were the weird ones because they did not have any damage on them, and most things that you'll find will have like a little scratch or something like that. But these are the Nike free runs with the flying in material in the wrong box, so if anyone wants these, I'll give them to you for free. Pay for shipping. Bro, we've been having Yeezys. These are all like regular just boxes from Yeezys that I've either destroyed, or these ones right here I think have the breads in them, but I usually keep the boxes for thumbnails. You never know when you're gonna need a Yeezy box. This is actually a funny throwback. We got the bread ones that I got a long, long time ago, and I cut the swooshes out for Halloween. I put a light in there, and the light actually like shows the swoosh on a white wall, if you guys know what I mean, like the glare of it. It's so dope. And then we have these right here, the infamous metallics that I actually covered in metallic. It's kind of fallen off by now, but if you guys go to sneaker cons or if you guys seen the displays, I have the other one there. It's a fun little memory. I don't need them anymore, probably throwing them out. But I got a lot of fucking cleaning to do now. Shit! I told myself I'd last like probably a month with this new clean room. It's been less. We got more Yeezys. This is just the regular Yeezy 350s. I think those are the black pirates. We got more boxes here. Oh, these ones are so hype. In the wrong box. I guess I couldn't find the box at the time. These are my very first Jordan ones, and actually my very first ones I've ever waited in line for. I've worn them a little bit. Such a dope shoe. These ones, like I said, I was into the Puma disc. Red, only worn once, Pumas right here. These things are so fresh if you know how to wear them. I think I put together a really sick fit one time with these, but it's a deep ass red, man. They're so dope. Going along with my Puma disc collection, I don't know if I can find them. They might be at my mom's still because I moved out a long time ago, but I have the 1994 Puma disc. The very first ones they ever actually put out. Yeah, 1994, my birth year. So they were really, really dope. They look like shit, but I used to be a really big collector of like a certain brand that I liked or a certain type of style. I'd buy every single one. Now y'all can see my obsession is onto Supreme, and it's probably about to change in T-minus 3 months. We got a bunch of other shoes in there, like tons of other hubs and stuff like that. This is a shoe that I want to probably end off with. You guys probably don't care about the others. If I see any dope ones, I'll put them in the description of the video, seeing if you guys want to buy them or not. Wow. We got these Jordan ones right here. One of ones, as y'all can see, the tree camo, baby blue, pussy. Oh, I said baby and pussy at the same. I didn't mean that, but we got that. They're really, really dope. My mom is an amazing artist. That's her job. She does art and shit like that. And I'm like, Ma, I want you to paint a shoe for me. And she did these, and I love them to death. I haven't actually ever worn them. I think I won't because it's already starting to scrape off a little bit here. But I get lots of questions on these because they used to be in a display case in my room. These are them right there. They're just done by my mom, and they're just a regular pair of white Jordans. I appreciate you, Mom, for that. I love you to death. But anyway, man, that's quote-unquote probably the end of the sneaker collection. We got just a few more boxes in there. I had a lot more stuff to show you guys if I didn't get robbed the other day, but I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think about this weird collection. Once again, this is stuff I probably bought early on the channel, probably like 3 or 4 years ago. Just stuff that I'm really wanting to clear out, stuff that I'm never gonna wear again. It was just kind of like quick, cheap shoes to buy for videos, and that's my sneaker collection right now. Y'all see the new sneaker room coming real soon. I'm about to start hyping it up now. We're gonna have those cool boxes with only hype in them. I'm thinking of dropping maybe 5 to 7 grand on just a bunch of hype sneakers, just investment wise, so we can make that wall and go through this whole new video series that I think would be really dope. You guys pick what shoe you want each week and what to do with them. Trying to get you guys a little more involved. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. NameBran fans, real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. And if you guys want any of the shoes purchased or whatever, if I didn't say any prices, I'll let me know and I'll let them go. And if you saw a shoe that I said are free, hit me with an email. Actually, follow me on Instagram. That's probably where I'll check most. I'll check everything tonight. Once again, man, appreciate y'all. NameBran fam, we out. Blow.